Now, looking over that way, it does look like the easyJet's been busy. The other trails have drifted. That one drifted and broken, but they're still there, obviously. The other one further along, that bit of British Airways. But yeah, I'd say that's the easyJet trail. And across the others, relatively new. There's quite a lot of trails drifting over that have been done on the west coast. Identifying them is a bit harder because I'm not catching them doing it. But you pick for yourself what's going on, really. Now the Finnair, I don't know what the hell that is. Can't see it. Not at the moment anyway. If he's up there, he's not doing any trails. There's one coming up the Pennines now actually. There we go. Spraying away merrily. This is a Sony DCH400B. Oh yep, we've got that one coming across. Up the Pennines at the moment. My god, he's spraying. The Finnair, there's nothing for him. So you're making a bloody mess over that way. It's all drifting our way. Get close on him, but I can't identify him. Anyway, I'm not that steady. It's quite painful. There you go, Pennine Snot Rocket. Knocked on a rope back there. There, sorry. Very dirty. Quickly before I try and get the Pennine Snot Rocket, we had the easyJet that went leaving the almost vertical trail. It's an Airbus A319-111. EZY operator code, registration Golf hyphen Echo Zulu Bravo Victor, which is 4010 Echo Alpha, on flight Echo Zulu Yankee 9009. Currently 28,000 feet. They've been climbing to that as he passed us.
What are you going to do?
Now the dirty Pennine Snot Rocket is another easyJet, currently 36,000 feet. He's lost. He's going from France to Manchester. No, he isn't. He's past Manchester and he's heading north. It's a easyJet at 36,000 feet currently. It's an Airbus A320-214, operator code EZY. It's registration Golf hyphen Echo Zulu Uniform Sierra, which is 40666 Charlie. Good one. And it's on flight Echo Zulu Yankee 59 Quebec Romeo. Very dirty plane. Now that's the easyJet trail over the Pennines, but just to prove a point, all these trails are blowing over from the Pennines. But over this way, there's a easyJet that isn't spraying at all. That's a clean one, but like I said, they're all spraying from the Pennines. It's all drifting over here pretty damn fast.
It's a good job we've all got driving in there.
And that one, like I say, it's a EasyJet Europe going from Edinburgh to Italy, not spraying. I'm not saying that, I said he's not spraying, look at that.
Look where Bailey is. Yeah, right.
He started spraying over that way, to the southeast. So much for innocence there. Yeah, it's a madhouse. The EasyJet that wasn't spraying has left a good split over that way to the southeast. Bit of a faint trail going the other way. There's one that was sprayed earlier. And meanwhile over at top of houses we've got this mess. And over there the other EasyJet trail drifted well. I think they're both EasyJets those if I remember right. And then further down towards Pennines, just the odd splurt and a bank of cloud over that way. Is that frequencies? Hard to tell. Hard to tell, it looks like the bottom bit's the chemtrail actually. It's very well spread and it's straight.
No, you're being an idiot. You need to calm down.
No, that drifting in from the Pennines certainly looks ominous, doesn't it? Looks like waves on it. Oops, falling off of here. No balance, hang on. Right. That's the one in question. Make your own minds up on that. And is it dodgy air currents or is it frequencies? Thank you, EasyJet.